What's up, party people? We've got some exciting stuff today. We got another install. We're gonna take beyond.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Let me go ahead and take you guys and show you what's going on. Before we do that, let's get some caffeine in us. A little bit of a Red Bull for today. This is pomegranate. Let's get the show on the road. Not bad. Let's go take a look at what we're going to install today. Look at what we got for today. Good old Remark Axleback Exhaust. I already opened it, but just to show you guys. Hold on, I can't do this with one hand. So this is the Axleback Exhaust. Comes with the hangers, some bolts, and then a gasket, maybe two gaskets there for the exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and take this apart, or I guess assemble it, unpackage it, and then I'll get the rest of the install video going. Let's get it. Alright, so right off the bat, this is the Remark Axleback Exhaust. I went with the double wall titanium tips, and man, that's a pretty color. I'm really excited to see how it looks like over here. Quality of the welds also. You can tell that's really good. So I'm excited to see that. Ooh, baby. So before I start assembling this together, it looks like all the hardware is here in the gasket. I'm actually going to go ahead and jack up the car and put some WD-40 on the old nuts and bolts, and so that way that's soaking in while I get this assembled. Hey, let's go ahead and get it started. Alright, so we've got two gaskets, different sizes, so it'll be pretty easy to see which one's which. I'm assuming this guy's to join the axleback together. Yep. And then this one, the bigger one, is probably going to be to the actual exhaust system itself. Right there. So, there you go. Alright. Alright. Just a little installation notice and cleaning instruction right here. Cardboard hardware, and then all of the hangers with the little Remark on them too. We got 4 of these guys. Alright, so let's put this bad boy together. Alright, first things first, I went ahead and bought one of these hanger removal tools for exhaust, because this isn't going to be the first exhaust that I'm going to have to remove. So went ahead and made this purchase. I'll let you guys know if this is actually worth it, but I'm hoping it does save me some time. I see a lot of videos where it goes in the wrong direction when trying to take these off if you guys don't have one of these. Got my 14 mils ready to go. I already used WD-40 before assembling the axleback, so that's soaking in, and then I've got the hardware here. So now, let me go ahead and show you guys where all the bolts are. Alright, so you'll see 2 hangers there on the left side. And then, so you'll see that's where it connects to. And then one hanger there, and the other one's kind of hiding up there. It's hard to get an angle to where you can see it, but it's back there. So let's go ahead and get these guys off. Alright, so it's on. I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start. My battery's about to die. If it does, I'll try to get some better footage later. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Please don't fuck up. Get warm. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go get a new battery real quick.
In my room, I hear you call my name, your perfume inside my pillowcase. I feel you and your fingers trace, but I know you haven't been here in days. I have a video that I watch in my bed, it replays in my head. You say you love me, we like together every night. You touch me, I'm losing track of time. You kiss me.
Alright, there's a on-ramp on the highway. Not bad, right? Alright, I'm gonna find a tunnel or an underpass with the windows down so you can hear it. Alright, here it goes. Not bad. I want something a little longer, so this next one should be better. Ooh, I'm getting a little nervous. Ooh, here we go, green light. Take it easy, use some space, and me in the car in front of me. Woohoo! That was fun. I love this car so much. Let's go, baby. Highly recommend Remark Axleback Exhaust for your BRZ or 86 FRS, whatever. It's great. I love it. Can't wait to refine it, make it a little louder with some headers and stuff like that down the line. Highly recommend this setup. Oh my goodness. Let's go, baby. So I filmed this video about 2 years ago and I am still rocking that Remark exhaust. So I always get a lot of people asking me what exhaust setup I'm running, and when I tell them it's just an Axleback, they're always surprised because it's loud when I'm in the high rev ranges. It sounds good, it sounds refined, but then when it's at idle or just normal driving, it's not really obnoxious and in your face. Way better upgrade than what you have stock. So highly recommend this Remark Axleback exhaust. In terms of appearance, I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8.5. The titanium tips that are double walled, they look great. I like the blue that goes with my car. In my opinion, I really like that blue gradient look. Now, in terms of sound, I'm going to go ahead and also give it like an 8.5 as well, just because I wish it was louder. Eventually, I'm going to go louder with, you know, everything else. In terms of the setup, everything's stock. The only thing I'm running in terms of the exhaust is the Axleback, so just no muffler. Now, it's not going to be anything like that F1 sounding Porsche 911. It's not going to be no Lexus LFA type sound, so that's why I give it an 8.5, just because for me that's a 10, those type of sounding cars. And also it's just an Axleback, so an 8.5 for an Axleback I think is pretty good. Now, in terms of drone, I'm going to give it like a 7.5. The drone is bearable. When you're on the highway and you're past like 4,000 RPM, that's when it does get a little annoying, but it's not too loud, so I can usually drown it out with my music. So the drone isn't horrible. You can live with it. Really, in the lower rev ranges, there is no drone. It just sounds really nice in the lower rev ranges. But I will admit, when I'm racing, it sounds so good. Just, you know, going through gears. It's a really good sounding car. Like I said, I always get a lot of people asking me what I run, and there it is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun editing it and putting it together. Finally, I'm going to be posting more consistently on the channel, so please subscribe, like, do whatever, comment. If you guys have any feedback you guys want to give me, I'm all ears. Put it down below. Let's go, baby. 2024.